Well, the first snowfall in New York. I'm walking along. Knew I was gonna get it. Look at that, man. It's bad. It's in the late afternoon, evening hours. I was watching a football game, but I gotta walk outside. Well, which is my baby's mama, aka my ex-wife. Look at the snow. Going. Sidewalks all blocked up, unshoveled. Everybody gotta shovel themselves out. That must be the delivery man. Look at that, they even deliver in the winter. Say hello, YouTube. I'm delivery man.
Hey, dog.
Alright. Oh, across the street. Look at that car coming at me. Ooh. I need my shovel. Getting nasty out here. Door won't